Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students and dear friends and guardians? It's a nice afternoon, especially in the winter season. But I have come to talk to you in a nice environment, especially for the development of the mentality and the encouragement of our students. It's a nice matter that our students are going to finish their annual exam. Already, some of the students have completed their exams who study at non-government high schools, and the students who are engaged in exam, they are the students of government high schools. All the matters that have been going on for few days. I was thinking that I should talk to you in this matter. However, what is lotted cannot be blotted, and what you have done and we have done, actually, we have done everything for the betterment of our students and to develop their quality. And it's nice to think that our students are appearing at the exam very nicely, and I hope all of you are hale and hearty, safe and sound. All the things are in a systematic way, and I believe that people of our society and the people of our authority all can understand the real situation of our education system. It's a nice matter that sometimes I become puzzled thinking the real situation, how to develop the skill of our students. Uh, Everybody knows that when the exam approaches, students have to sit for the written test only. But is it possible to develop the language only by written skill? No, I don't believe it. There are four skills in English. The first one is listening, the second one is speaking, the third one is reading, and the fourth one is writing. But it is unfortunate to think that our academic system is completely devoted, and that is only to work for the written test, not speaking test or reading test or writing test. Only writing test is the basic and the focus point of our English in school levels. I think only written English cannot develop the standard of English of our students. So when they pass HSC exam, actually they pass with credit. They get a huge marks, but in reality they are not up to date. They can't express their ideology, feelings, passions, emotions, love, and anger in English because they never try to develop their speaking skill. They never try to develop their hearing skill and reading skill. So they can't keep pace with the modern time, and they can't keep pace with the communication system at all. If you go to the standard view of education, I mean, in higher education, all the books are written in English. So you have to learn a lot of things to keep pace with the smart education system and to express your own ideas so that your partner or the audience can understand you, which will be too much nice and better. And for this situation, for this development, you need the smart environment also. A teacher or the mentor who can speak English nicely and who can help you to go in a systematic way, then you can be developed in a smart way also. So, if you want to develop your English language, you have to first think of the environment. how to develop it. And your partner, your classmate, your teacher, your parents, all the people are related within this web of learning. If you practice regularly, if you do the same jobs again and again, you will be skilled. Written test only, no, sorry, only written test cannot help you to be smart in English. You must learn how to speak English nicely, and in order to speak nicely, you must learn the listening skill also. Because when someone will ask you to learn something, you can't understand the language. So, how can you reply it properly or nicely? So, all the skills, I mean, listening, speaking, reading, writing, all the things are related. And if you want to develop English skill really, you must learn all the four skills which are very, very important. Which are very, very important. So, my dear students, my dear friends, my dear guardians, and the other people who are related to learn English or to practice English, please try to learn all the skills properly which can help you to express your ideas to your partner, so that your partner or the listeners or the audiences can understand you nicely. So, my dear viewers, please try to understand and try to express and try to write and try to read and try to speak English smartly or nicely, which can help you to be different and unique, and that will be very nice for you also. Assalamu alaikum.